Hello everyone, this is Shram from Learnacon with another video from the Fundamental of Industrial Automation series. In this video, we talk about Industry 4.0. It's a buzzword that you have likely heard, and we will explain what it means in the context of industrial automation. Okay, let's get started. In simple words, Industry 4.0, also known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, integrates advanced digital technologies into manufacturing to create smart factories. Let's take a quick look at the evolution of industrial revolutions. The first industrial revolution began at the late 18th centuries with mechanization using water and steam power. The second industrial revolution emerged in the late 19th century with mass production and electricity. The third industrial revolution started in the late 20th century with the rise of computers and automation. Now we are in Industry 4.0, which integrates digital technologies like IoT to interconnect machines and systems and creates smart factories. Industry 4.0 is powered by several key technologies. The Internet of Things, or IoT, connects devices and systems. Artificial intelligence, or AI, enables smart decision making. Big data analyzes large datasets for insights. Robotics automates repetitive tasks, and cloud computing provides scalable data storage and processing. So how does Industry 4.0 work? In a typical ecosystem, it uses sensors and IoT devices to collect data. This data is then processed using AI and big data analytics to optimize operations and improve efficiency. Industry 4.0 offers numerous benefits. It increases efficiency by streamlining processes, reduces downtime through the predictive maintenance, enhances flexibility by quickly adapting to changes, and improves quality by minimizing errors and defects. Despite its advantages, Industry 4.0 also presents challenges, such as cybersecurity that is crucial for protecting data and systems, and integration that involves combining new and old technologies. There are also skill gaps that require training employees for new technologies. Industry 4.0 has various applications in the industrial sector. For example, Siemens uses IoT and AI to create smart factories where machines communicate with each other to optimize production processes and reduce downtime. General Electric employs IoT sensors and predictive analytics to monitor the health of industrial equipment, predicting failures before they occur and minimizing downtime. In the pharmaceutical industry, AI and big data help companies to identify and model patterns that improves the quality of drugs and reduce the side effects. Okay, that was a simplified overview of Industry 4.0. I hope you've learned something new. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and see you next time.